Hi, I'm Zachary Stank. Today we're going to review how to connect multiple Phoenix Contact PSRswitch non-contact RFID sensors in series to a safety relay capable of handling OSSD inputs. We'll use Unicode-type PSRswitches set up for automatic restart and a PSR MC40 as our safety relay. Let's review all the parts we're going to use. 3 PSRswitch Unicode sensors, 3 PSRswitch actuators, 3 A-coded 8-pin M12 cables, 3 Y adapters, 3 A-coded 5-pin M12 cables, 1 termination plug, and 1 PSR MC40 safety relay, and 5 terminal blocks. We'll follow the application example on page 47 of the PSRswitch datasheet. Our first step is to connect the PSRswitch sensor to the M12 female connector for each sensor. Just line up the coding notch and screw in. Next, we'll connect each of the M12 8-pin male connectors from each sensor to a Y connector for series connection. Then connect the M12 5-pin connector between each Y connector and the M12 5-pin connector with an open end off the final Y connector. Lastly, on the first Y connector, connect the termination plug. Next, let's review how the open-end cable ends connect to the sensor chain and determine which wires are which. I've already connected the leads from the M12 cable into this numbered terminal blocks, so it's easier to follow along. First, we'll connect pins 1 and pin 3 to 24 volts and 0 volts DC respectively. These are the power connections for the switch system. Then we'll connect the safety outputs FO1A and FO1B to the safety relay sensor channels. Pin 2 connects to S12 and pin 4 connects to S22 of our PSR MC40 relay. We aren't going to use the diagnostic channel in this example, so pin 5 does not need to be connected. When the PSRswitch sensors are connected in series, they are internally jumpered and set up for automatic restart. Now that all the connections have been made, we turn on power. Notice that on power up, the PSRswitch first has a 5-second self-test and then immediately goes into learning mode. Learning mode is initiated on the first power up, and for the Unicode, is it initiated every time you power on without the paired actuator in range. Let's start the learning process by bringing our actuator in range of the sensor. The learning process takes about 30 seconds to complete, minimizing the possibility of an accidental pairing. Once the learning is completed, the red LED turns on and the power cycle is required. Again, on power up, the PSRswitch does a 5-second self-test, but now immediately goes into the functional state. The fixed code and Unicode sensors will only accept the actuator that they've learned in, while multicode will accept any of the actuators. For more information on the PSRswitch, visit us at phoenixcontact.com/PSRswitch. Be sure to check out more videos like this on our YouTube page.